Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. You find yourself walking along a beautiful forest path. It's a warm summer's day, and the sun's rays beam through the canopy of leaves above you. The air smells and tastes sweet. Birds fly here and there from tree to tree. And not too far away, you see a squirrel burying a nut or a seed in the soft earth. Everything here is green and lush. Take a moment to walk along this forest path and imagine everything you might see. It's so peaceful here. There is no traffic noise and no other people. It's just you. You feel happy, calm, and relaxed. As you walk, you come up to a large tree that stands out in some way as being different than the rest. It somehow has an energy and character that draws you to it. You instinctively walk up to the tree and wrap your arms around it and begin hugging it. At first, you did this to be silly, but as you hold on to the tree, your cheek pressed against its bark, you can almost feel it breathing. It's almost as if you can feel its trunk expanding and relaxing, as if the tree is taking breaths. In, out, in, out, in, out. Stay here in your hug with the tree for a moment and imagine this feeling of the tree breathing along with you. After a time with the tree, you step back and give it a friendly wave goodbye as you continue on your walk. Imagine all of the sights, sounds, smells, and animals you encounter on your forest walk. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.